Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can download install Postman. Let's start. Open your browser, just write here Postman download. Open your download Postman first link. You know what's Postman? Postman is a tool that we can use to test our APIs. When we develop APIs in Java, in PHP, in Python, and so on, then we use our Postman as a client to check our APIs. Let's start. Just click on Windows 64-bit. Our download is in progress. Open your download folder. Postman is already downloaded. Let's install. Click on it. Our installation is in progress. We have to wait for a couple of minutes to complete the installation process. Now you can see that our Postman is already installed in our system. Now we already installed the Postman, so now we have to create account or sign in. If you already have account, just click on sign in. Click on sign in. Now sign in with different account. Okay, just write your email and password and sign in. Click on sign in. Now you open your Postman application that you install. Open your Postman application. Now you can see that we are already signed in our Postman application. Now we can use our application to check our APIs, to test our APIs. This is our interface. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.